A soft light glides over the PlayStation 5's sculpted outer shell, engineered not just for aesthetics but to guide airflow and capture dust before it can reach sensitive internals. As the camera pans slowly, vents and subtle ridges come into focus, every curve designed for efficient thermal management. On-screen text notes, outer shell, channels airflow, traps dust, protects components. A gentle transition brings us inside, revealing the massive, custom-designed cooling fan. Its large diameter and sweeping blades are optimized for silent, high-volume air movement. The lens lingers on the heatsink, a labyrinth of fins and copper pipes, directing heat away from the heart of the console. Overlay, cooling system, oversized fan and advanced heatsink draw heat from the APU. Deeper still, the motherboard appears, dominated by the central APU and a shimmering patch of liquid metal. This unconventional thermal interface ensures rapid heat transfer, a bold choice for consumer electronics. Motherboard and liquid metal, efficient performance, stable temperatures, the text explains, while the power supply, neatly tucked at the edge, showcases Sony's compact, integrated approach. A slow zoom reveals the concealed SSD bay, Sony's gateway to nearly instant loading and boundless expansion. This area is shielded yet easily accessible, allowing storage upgrades without disrupting airflow. Subtle text, storage and expansion, fast access, future-proof design. One small change here prevents a massive overheating problem.